know we go hard in the motherfucking paint. We go hard. We go hard.
10-6.
We go hard.
10-6.
We go hard.
10-6.
We go hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't get him. What he do?
We go hard on the motherfucking block, nigga. Fuck the cops, nigga. Get your ass popped, nigga. On the 6 with them bricks. Is that your bitch? She suck my dick. And I'm in the quest, acting like a fucking mess. She rubbing on my fucking chest. She said, Ross the fucking best. Yes. Tell that bitch to go and chill out. Hit this and peel out. Tell them go and peel out. Probably bust that seal out. Yeah, it's a real drill now. Say in this bitch. And we going hard in the cutty. If that's your bitch, she gon' be my motherfucking cutty buddy. And she acting real slutty. Yes, I go nutty buddy. Just like the candy bar. Yes, no candy bars. Just come through in candy cars. Stunting like some superstar. Yes, we go super hard. Yes, we go super hard. Oily as fuck. Yeah, I be super scar. Go and get my super card and charge it to the fucking game. Yes, you know my fucking name. Roasting the fucking shame. Blowing on the loud in the crowd. Acting mighty wild. And I got something on me about the size of 2-year child. Nigga, get it in on the fin, drinking in. Then I'll go and bust that gin. Then I'll go and
Say.
You hoe ass niggas pretend, but I'm back, no friends. All the seas around me, baby, you hear nothing but hissing. That's when my niggas piss. You find your head miss. Cause my niggas went left instead of right, you fake bitches. We don't fuck with none of y'all. Y'all just steady hating every time you see us coming, baby. All you see is wait, lack them, there go a beans. Ooh, shit, there go a range. Oh shit, there go my daddy jumping out all type of crazy things. You know I'm crazy walking, cause I don't give a fuck. My niggas pick me up and I still make your slut do this nut. Ooh, catch it, swallow it. That was my third junior. Now say, understand and off on you junior.
Oh my gosh.
That's all.